Hey guys, like and subscribe, and check out the description for all the product links and discounts. Thanks. Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the Votatu V848 with the light and laser combo. This is one of the more affordable options on the market if you're looking for a unit that combines a bright white light, a visible green laser, and the infrared capabilities to use night vision. So the big question is, does it actually deliver, or is it just another budget accessory? Let's get into it. So right out of the box, I'm impressed with the build quality. Out of the housing is all aluminum. Feels really solid in the hand. Definitely doesn't have that cheap plastic feel that a lot of the other lower price units have. Also, installation is really simple on this unit. It comes with the Picatinny rail mount, and it also has the option for hem lock if you want to attach it to an hem lock rail. Also comes with a pressure switch that you can mount to a rail as well. So let's talk about how this thing operates. It's super simple. You've got a rotary dial with 6 options, and you can select the visible bright white light, a green laser, the combination of the two together. And then on the hour side, you do the same. You can have the hour laser, the hour illuminator, and then the combination of both of those together. And then once you select the mode you want, you just simply hit the activator button. The light is extremely bright. Switch over to the laser. Really easy to pick up. And one really cool thing too, you'll see on the back there's a display that shows which mode you're in and battery life. So really cool. And then of course we can go into it. Hour mode. And we'll take a look at those here in just a minute with some night vision. But very cool setup. The green laser is easy to see during the day, and it really stands out in low light conditions. And if you are running night vision, the hour laser and hour illuminator both perform surprisingly well for something in this price range. One last feature too is that the visible and hour lasers are color aligned. So once you zero the visible laser, the hour laser is zeroed as well. So that saves a ton of time trying to zero both. Now, is this going to replace a military-grade laser? Well, of course not. But for recreational shooting, training, predator hunting, home defense, anything that you want to get into night vision without spending thousands of dollars, this is a very compelling option. It holds zero very well. Like I mentioned earlier, it looks and feels like it's really well made and solid, not cheap plastic. So overall, I think the Votatu V848 offers an impressive combination of features, usability, and value. So if you've been wanting something with hour capability without hipping your wallet, I think this is definitely one you need to look at. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see tested next. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.